In this video, I'll share with you an update on the performance of my dividend stock portfolio after investing $2,000 in it so far. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For a quick background, since March 2024, I started to invest $1,000 each month into building my dividend stock portfolio. So that means I invested $2,000 so far, $1,000 in March and another $1,000 in April. And without any further ado, let's go into my Excel file to check out how my $2,000 dividend stock portfolio has been performing so far. So in this table, I have all my dividend stock investments so far. You'll see that I invested in 10 different dividend stocks. For each dividend stock that I own, you'll also see the average cost that I purchased it for, the number of shares for each company, and the total investment. And you'll notice that the total investment is very close to $2,000 or $1,997.52 to be exact. If I fill out the current prices of the stocks as of today in these cells and the dividends that I received so far, we'll be able to see how much profit or loss I'm making on each of my stock investments. So let's go over all of my investments one by one. My first dividend stock company is ADP, and I purchased one share of their stock at $245.06. At the time of this video, the value of their stock is $242.09, which means that I'm losing $2.97 so far, or negative 1.2% loss on my investment. My second dividend stock is Avalon Bay, and I purchased one share of their stock at $175.73. The current value of their stock as of today is $192.65, and the company paid me $1.70 so far in dividends. This means that I made $18.62 so far, or 10.6% profit on my investment. My third company is Johnson & Johnson, and I own one share at a cost of $157.75 per share. The current value of their stock is $149.70, which means that I'm losing $8.05 or negative 5.1% loss so far. Stock number 4 is Coca-Cola. I own 3 shares at $60.80 per share with a total investment of $182.40. The value of Coca-Cola as of today is $62.22 per share, which means that I'm making $4.26 so far, or 2.3% return on my investment. The next dividend stock that I own is 3M Corporation, and I have 2 shares of their stock at $93.33 per each share. The current value of their stock is $97.50, which means that I'm making $8.34 so far, or 4.5% return on my investment. Stock number 6 is PepsiCo, and I have 1 share at $163.80. The current value of their stock is $176.49 as of today, which means that I'm making $12.69 so far, or 7.7% return on my investment. My stock number 7 is Pfizer, and I have 10 shares of their stock at $26.71 per share. The current value of their stock is $27.86, which means that I'm making $11.50 or 4.3% return so far. My stock number 8 is Tyson Foods, and I have 4 shares of their stock at $57.98 per each share. The current price of their stock is $62.05, which means that I'm making $16.28 so far, or 7% return on my investment. My dividend stock number 9 is UPS, and I own 1 share of their stock at $146.98. At the time of this video, the value of their stock is now $148.01, which means that I'm making $1.03 so far, or 0.7% return on my investment. And last but not least, Verizon. I own 6 shares of their stock at $40.02 per share, with a total investment of $240.12. The stock price for Verizon went down, and as of today it's trading at $38.94, but the company has paid me $3.99 so far in dividends, which means that I'm losing $2.49 so far, or a negative 1% loss on my investment. So overall, you'll see that I invested $1,997.52 into dividend stocks so far, and the value of my portfolio, including dividends, is $2,056.73. So I'm up by $59.21 so far, or 3% return on my overall investments. Stay tuned for my new video next week, as I'll be picking new dividend stocks where I want to invest $1,000 in May 2024. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.